Today in this video, we will look at some basic aspects of Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is used for computation, plotting graphs, pivot tables, and to organize numbers and data with formulas and functions used to perform financial analysis. To open Microsoft Excel on your personal computer, press the Window key on your keyboard. A search bar appears. Type Excel. From the search results, click on Excel 2013. The Microsoft Excel window opens. Select Blank Document. Now, let us learn about the basic features of Microsoft Excel. There are similarities between Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word Home tab. The Microsoft Excel tabs include the Home tab. In this tab, we will find font name, the font size, the options to bold, italicize, underline, create border options, increase font size, decrease font size, change your text color, alignment, which we have top, middle alignment, and bottom alignment. Also, we also have the left alignment to align center and to align right. The text rotation, the wrap text option, the merge and center option, number format option. In this option, choose the appropriate cell format such as percentages, fraction, number, currency, and so on. All these basic options mentioned will be needed to work with Microsoft Excel. We also look at the Insert tab. In this tab, you will find the Insert table, illustrations, charts, reports, sparklines, filters, text box, header and footer, equation, symbols, and so on. With that, we also move to the Page Layout tab. This tab includes page setup, like the margin, the orientation, the size, the print area, the print titles, also scale to fit, sheet options, and arrange. Another Microsoft Excel tab is a Formula tab. This tab shows the function library, where you have the formulas, defined names, formula auditing, calculation, and so on. The next is the Data tab. This tab includes Get External Data, Connections, Sort and Filter, Data Tools, Outlines. We also have the Review tab, where we have the spelling check, the new comment, and so on. The next is the View tab. This option shows the workbook view, zoom, and others. Below at the right side of the Microsoft Excel window is the workbook view and zoom option.